Hi there, this is again from liftOS. We want to start these video series to give you a bit more insights on what we're building, and since the past 4 weeks, thanks to many of your feedback, we've been redesigning liftOS from scratch. I've been mainly working on the product side. I talked to many of you to understand what your struggles were, how we could improve liftOS for you, how we could make work more efficient for you. And I put those into design, put them into the onboarding, and put them into a new landing page. I'll show you a bit more on what I'm working and what I'm designing. I'll be very interested to get your feedback. And most of our teammates are now working a lot on liftUI 2.0. A complete revised sidebar, a revised hierarchy inside liftOS. I hope that I can share with you a bit more. I'll take the camera soon, I'll bring you to my colleagues and show you what we're working on. What I'm working on with all of the feedback, so we got into designing a single layer sidebar, as we realized it's important for you to be able to work with your sidebar flexibly with your apps and spaces. Just move things around in your sidebar without the kind of clutter or the separation from sections and spaces to folders and applications. So the single sidebar gives us the ability to create a private section. In this private section, we can easily add apps there. We can simply work on these apps, and when you're ready, you can move them to share with other people within the public section at the top. We're also simplifying section, space, folder, and app logic. We're making it just spaces and folders. So hopefully it will be much easier for you to then navigate. And we're introducing unlimited folder nesting. So you can do space, folder, 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 folder. The permissions will work top down. If you add someone to the space, they will trickle down to all the folders. If you add someone to level 3, level 4s and 5, for example, will also have the same permission from that user, which you will be able to disable directly within the setting itself. This design helps the efficiency of liftOS to be more productive, to be more flexible and easier. It's like difficult to combine the efficiency, simplicity and more powerful features at the same time. Hence, to combine them sometimes you can't just add a new feature, you have to kind of revise things from scratch. And your feedback has helped me do this, so I really appreciate it. And besides this, I'm also working on a new landing page about understanding what the pain point liftOS addressed and how we can make it more effective to collaborate and to share this pair point with people who we want to invite to liftOS. And the onboarding experience is completely revised to help them set up a workspace before they even enter liftOS. I'm excited to share these with you. Till the end of September, hopefully we will ship the onboarding and the landing page as well. And for time being, maybe I can take the camera and show you guys what my colleagues are working on. Oh, Selçuk, you look very focused. I'm curious what you're working on.
I'm developing chat and to the comments.
Okay, chat collaboration side or the UI elements?
UI elements and collaboration side on backend and frontend. I change backend and I created schema.
Okay, nice. And now we're going to be using the exact same infrastructure for chat and comments?
Yes.
So anything we do in chat, we'll also do in comments as well?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. That's very nice, that's very nice. Chat UI that I'm allowed to show. Maybe chat opens. Nice. We see the quick bar in action, and that's calendar also. This is something we developed so that when you're working with your apps, in your sections, in your spaces, you can easily with the quick bar enable them. Amazing stuff. Anything else for the people?
See you later.
Arif in his element. 3 screens writing code. I think he's working on the migration for data. I'm not gonna disturb him right now. It's 4 screens now, Jesus. And I will come back to him right after I talk to Barış.
Hi there.
How's it going?
Doing good. You?
Good. Working with. What are you fixing right now?
I'm fixing. Arif changed some APIs and he changed the backend side, and I will change the frontend side.
Yes.
This is related with space applications. You know, we have new assigned to-dos inside of space, and you will see your home to-dos and normal applications side by side, and we will do now. I will do new home to-dos application container, and I don't know what to do now, but it will come. We move to private nodes to sidebar, and you will see your private nodes in the sidebar.
So One of the revisions that we're doing is, instead of taking you into a context, we basically organize a context in one sidebar, and then we're pulling apps and data to your primary view. This way you don't have to jump into places, but all the information comes to you. So it's going to be a way more fluid way of working.
Hey, I'm working on notification service right now. A lot of emails and individual notifications, maybe push, so I'm quite busy.
So that's a quick glimpse. I do hope that these developments will give you a more effective place to work. We've learned a lot from your feedback to revise things, and we said instead of individually implementing them, why don't we make a big change? Something that probably you didn't ask for, but your feedback kind of demanded it. It's hidden in the details to make a big change. We've done this in January when we shipped this version of liftOS, and we're doing this again. I'm very excited to share this with you, to share our journey, and thanks for tagging along, and looking forward to sharing liftOS 2.0.